Doughnuts. Doughnuts are a popular sweet treat enjoyed by people all around the world. But have you ever wondered why they have holes in the middle? This question might seem simple, but the answer is quite interesting and involves a bit of history and science. The history of the doughnut with a hole is quite fascinating. It is believed that the idea of putting a hole in the middle of the doughnut came about in the early 19th century. Before this time, doughnuts were just round balls of dough fried in oil. They were tasty, but there was a problem. The center of the doughnut would often be undercooked, while the outside was crispy and brown. This was because the center of the dough ball couldn't cook as quickly as the outside. The story goes that a young American sailor named Hanson Gregory came up with the solution in 1847. He was just 16 years old and was on a lime trading ship. He didn't like how the middle of the doughnuts was often gooey and uncooked, so he took a round doughnut and punched a hole in the middle with the ship's tin pepper box. This simple act changed the doughnut forever. By removing the center, Gregory made sure that the doughnut cooked evenly all the way through. But why does removing the center help the doughnut cook better? The answer lies in how heat is transferred in cooking. When you fry a doughnut, the heat from the oil needs to move through the dough to cook it. If the doughnut is solid, like a ball, the heat takes longer to reach the middle. But with a hole in the center, there's less dough for the heat to move through. This means the heat can cook the doughnut more evenly and quickly. The hole in the middle of the doughnut also makes it easier to handle and eat. Before the invention of the doughnut hole, doughnuts were often quite big and difficult to eat in one go. But with a hole in the middle, they became the perfect size for a quick snack. You could also put them on a stick or a string, which made them a fun treat for children. Doughnuts with holes became very popular in America and then spread to other parts of the world. Today, they come in many different flavors and styles. Some are coated in sugar or icing, while others are filled with cream or jam. But the classic ring doughnut with a hole in the middle remains a favorite for many. Another interesting fact about doughnuts with holes is that they have inspired some creative uses. For example, during World War I, doughnuts were served to American soldiers as a comforting reminder of home. They were easy to make and distribute, and the soldiers loved them. This helped to boost the morale of the troops. In the world of art and culture, doughnuts have also made an impact. They have been featured in paintings, movies, and books, often symbolizing American life and culture. The simplicity and fun of a doughnut with a hole have made it an iconic food item. In conclusion, the reason why doughnuts have holes in them is not just about cooking them properly. It's a story that involves history, science, and culture. The hole in the doughnut solved a cooking problem, made the treat easier to eat, and helped it become a beloved snack all over the world. The next time you enjoy a doughnut, think about the clever solution that made this sweet treat what it is today. Doughnuts are more than just a tasty snack. They are a part of culinary history and a symbol of creativity and innovation.